thought it would be a good idea to go over the lesson for the stream on Saturday. I have a repo up for it, so I'll go through what you'll have to do. I'll put a link in the video here to this repo. The idea is that we're going to do a binary tree focused exercise with TypeScript. It should be nice and sandboxed, and it'll let us leverage the TypeScript stuff we've been doing. It also relates to React. React uses trees. React is a tree under the hood. So it's going to be using this repo to work through one problem from this sheet that I found from the CMU website. Basically, this part right here with this tree is the important part. So go over to this page, and then head over to your terminal, clone that URL, cd into binary tree exercise, yarn install. If you don't have yarn, then you can do npm install -g yarn, and that should give it to you. Yarn install. This should get you all of the dependencies for the TypeScript stuff, and we're going to be using a tool called Jest to do the actual exercises. It's a unit test framework from Facebook that people typically use when they're working with front-end technologies nowadays. There's a few other ones, but this one ends up being the most popular one. So let that install for a second, and when we get in, we're going to run the unit tests, which will run a bunch of tests that will fail because I put them in a failure state, and the whole goal will be to just make them pass. So linking dependencies. Let's go into another window here. So what you'll do in here is you'll open up the binary tree file as well as the test for it, and we can look at it. We can see this is what we have in the binary tree file right now, just a bunch of empty methods basically. You'll have to do this and then make these behave according to the behavior on this page. So you'll get a tree like this. You have to decide how do I represent a tree, and then how do I make these methods behave the way that this person says they behave. And also, these are the tests. Right now they all fail, but when it's right, they'll pass. And make test should be enough to run the tests, and they should all fail for us right now. Yep, cool. Yeah, so these are not the right behaviors. So give it a shot. If you have questions, answer or ask on the subreddit or on Twitter, and good luck.